Hey everyone! Today I am making my sugar wax, so I thought I would show you guys how I do it. This is my little wax kit. I will go through what I have in here and then I'll show you how to use it later. This is my little baggie of cornstarch, wipes to get the extra wax off my hands, my cellular cleansing water. I think this is Neutrogena. I bought the little dispenser at the dollar store. And a bunch of old socks I couldn't find the match to, so I cut them up and they will become my wax strips. All right, let me show you what to do. Okay, you will need a spatula, a saucepan, non-stick, it really doesn't matter, it's all gonna stick anyway, 2 tablespoons of water, a cup of sugar, teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of lemon. It says fresh lemon. Most people use fresh lemon juice. I have a giant jug of lemon juice, so this is what I use. And a heat resistant container to store your wax in. Make sure it is heat resistant because this stuff is hot. And if you go to reheat it, you can put it in the microwave to reheat and use again later. All right, let me get everything combined. All right, I've got everything in here. Just gonna give it a little stir to try to get the water and the lemon juice kind of well distributed here in the sugar. Then I will turn this on low to medium heat, mixing pretty constantly to make sure it doesn't burn. And then, so like a 3. Until it becomes a nice honey color. As soon as it becomes a honey color, we take it off because we do not want this to burn. If it burns, it'll get way too hard. So I will show you once it gets to the color we want it to be. Okay, it is starting to simmer. So now we will take it down to low. Bring down the heat a little and just keep stirring, keep stirring. Normally takes about maybe 5 minutes, if that. It's already starting to change color a little bit. And it's only been like, I don't know, a minute or 2. So we shall see. All right, we are getting there. Probably like another minute. Probably like another minute or so. Bubbles are normal. Nobody told me bubbles were normal. So I am telling you, bubbles are normal and kind of fun to pop. Pop, 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 pop. All right, I will show you once I get this off the stove. Probably in like another minute. Okay. All right, here we are. About 1 minute later. Very golden. This is the color you want it. It is not sticky. It does not really cut when you go through it. And all of this I will then pour into our heat resistant container. Make sure it is heat resistant. All right. All right, here it is. Now we have to let it cool completely. No, wrong. Not completely, because we want it to be pliable, but cool to the touch so you don't burn your skin when you are waxing. All right, so I will let this cool a little bit and then we shall wax. Okay, little thing about me is I actually don't grow a lot of hair from like mid-thigh down. So it was kind of hard to find a little patch to do on video. Let me try to focus. But I found a little patch here. Nope. Sorry. There we go. So I haven't waxed or shaved in like a year. And this is pretty much the only little patch I found. So let's get it prepped. Okay, first thing you want to do is clean the area. So that's what my little cotton swab is for, and cell water. So clean the area. Let it dry. See, now that it's wet, you can kind of see them here. All right, then we get another little cotton ball that I just store in here with some cornstarch, just to help create like a small barrier between the skin and the wax, but also to absorb any of the extra water that is in there. Hands, wipe. All right. Now it's time for the wax. Some people use the popsicle sticks. I don't have any, so I'm using a coffee stirrer. I actually prefer to use my hands. I don't know, it's just easier for me. But you want to place this in the opposite direction of the hair growth. So, opposite direction of the hair growth. Oop, I don't want to get it on my carpet. Alright, this is not the best job, but, you know, you do what you gotta do. I'm actually kind of liking this stick because I can roll it. Alright, opposite direction. Then your little strip, put it on, and this you want to press in the direction of the hair growth. In the direction. Firm, 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 firm pressure. All right. Then you hold the skin tight and hold my skin. Hold this right here. My helper Noemi is here. And then in one swift pull, there you have it. There it is. That whole little area is now hair free, and you can reuse it. If you do this without a cloth, you can reuse the piece over and over. So when it comes off your skin, rip it off, kind of heat it back up in your hands, put it in another spot, rip it off. once it is really done, you'll know when it's done. One, it'll change color. Two, it'll have like your skin and hair in it. So then you toss it. Otherwise, you can put it back in. Some people put this in the refrigerator. I don't. There's nothing in it that can go bad, so I leave it out at room temp. It is basically caramel, so it does get hard. I put it in the microwave for about, I don't know, like 15-second intervals mix until it's the right temperature for me to put on my skin. And that is how you make sugar wax and how you sugar wax at home.